because she's going to come see you.
She's going to be so tired after doing it.
That's a lot of steps. You're going to need a gate.
We have one on the steps already.
She's like proud of herself, too.
Plumber's crack. She's getting better at it. She's never done steps before.
She's coming to get you. You better give her a big hug when she gets there.
Oh no.
She's laughing.
Yep.
She's laughing at you.
She's coming up the stairs.
Yeah.
I think she got stuck.
Can you go down and meet her?
No, she won't come up.
She's trying.
She's got a, she's a
Oh,
lot
here
of,
we go. One more.
it's a lot of work for her. You go meet her part way. Careful.
She is coming up. Oh.
Wait, she's not going to give up either.
She's like, I will get you.
She's coming up.
She's coming up.
Yeah.
She's bopping her head, too.
Got another one. She's excited.
No, she uses the top and she uses she never tried stairs before.
Are you close enough now? You just don't know what to do?